students. This is accounts class for the +1 class. Today we will do last video lecture of chapter Goods and Service Tax, that is GST. So yesterday in third video of this chapter we have done that adjustment of IGST, CGST and SGST. So one thing I want to tell, why we do adjustment. Why businessman will not pay all the output GST that businessman collect from customer? Students, because on one product GST will be paid only once. When businessman purchase the goods from any supplier, businessman paid GST to supplier, supplier deposit that GST to the government. Then same goods was sold by the businessman to the customer. Then why GST will be deposited to the government again on same product? So that's why that GST has been paid by the businessman to the supplier. That GST is known as input GST, and output GST is that GST which businessman collect from customer on same product. So that's why we will deduct the input GST from output GST. This is called adjustment of GST. After that remaining GST, after deducting the input GST, that will pay to the government. Okay, so today we will do illustration number 8 of your book. In this we will adjust the IGST, CGST and SGST. Okay, let's start. Yes, illustration 8. Yes students, I haven't made full performa because of the shortage of space. Okay, 5 columns I haven't made. We will pass journal entry here and here we will do write the how much CGST, SGST, IGST input and output. After that do total, then we will adjust. Okay, you have to do like this. Okay, after the when you will solve the question, and at the last of question you will do calculation about the input and output GST. So let's start. On 2nd Feb, date I will not write. Okay, I will write only entry. On 2nd Feb, purchase goods from Anupriya of Gujarat. We have to pass a journal entry of Deepak of Gujarat. Deepak जो है वो गुजरात का है, and Deepak purchase goods from Anupriya, that Gujarat. Same state is there. Then CGST and SGST will be paid. Purchases account of rupees 2,50,000. For this purchases account debit, input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit. To name is given, nothing is written that cash is or credit. Name is given, then it means it's a credit transaction to Anupriya. Goods purchasing of 2,50,000. Percentage of CGST is 9%. 9% of this 22,500. This will also same. And total amount that businessman have to pay to Anupriya is 2,95,000. Okay, then write the narration. Purchase goods from Anupriya. Okay, second transaction, again purchase goods from Rana Rathore of Rajasthan. Now Rajasthan is this is a interstate transaction. So here we will apply input IGST. Then purchases account debit, input IGST account debit to Rana Rathore. Amount is 3 lakh. IGST rate is 12%. 12% of 3 lakh 36,000. Total 3 lakh 36,000. Okay, write the narration. Narration is must. Some students are sending me that pics, they are not writing narration. Purchase goods from Rana Rathore. Now third transaction on 10th Feb. Sold goods to Gurdeep Sidhu of Gujarat. Same state is there. This is an intra-state transaction. Then CGST and SGST we will collect from Gurdeep Sidhu. This is sale. Sale will be credit and output CGST and output SGST will be credit with the sale. And debit Gurdeep Sidhu debit to sales account, to output CGST account, and to this is of Gujarat na CGST SGST account. Amount is 2 lakh. 2 lakh of sale and percentage of GST is 9%. 18,000 and 18,000. Total amount businessman will take from Gurdeep Sidhu 2,36,000. Write the narration. Sold goods to Sidhu. Fine. Now next transaction is paid railway freight rupees 15,000. This is the expense. For that freight account debit, all the expense will be debit and we will pay GST. Input railway freight we will pay, nothing is given, then it's a same state. Then CGST, if nothing is given about the state, then you will charge the CGST and SGST. Input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit to cash. How much freight is there? 15,000 and GST rate is 9%. 1350 and total amount is, total of these, all these three amount is 17,700. Fine. Now next entry, it's on 16th Feb. Purchase computer printer for office for 8 lakh from Dell Limited on credit. Here also that name of state is not given, then we assume that it's a intrastate transaction. Then we will charge here CGST and SGST. For computer printer we will open the account office equipment account, debit, input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit. To on credit we have purchased from Dell Limited to Dell Limited. Write the narration. Purchase computer. Here you will write computer on credit. How much cost of the computer is 80,000 and CGST rate is 6%, 4,800 and 4,800. Total is 89,600 we will pay to the Dell Limited for computer. Now next transaction on 24th Feb. Sold goods to Gangaram of UP. Now state has changed. UP. Then IGST will be applied of 4 rupees 4,20,000 against check which is deposit into the bank. Check we are receiving, so we will debit the bank account and we are depositing the bank check into bank. Bank account debit to sales account and receive GST is known as output GST and this is state interstate, then IGST we will collect. Sold goods to name is given Gangaram. Amount is 4,20,000 and IGST rate is 18%. 18% on 4,20,000 it will come 75,600. Total is 4,95,600. Fine. Next entry is paid for the broadband services. नेट की सर्विसेज ली हुई है ब्रॉडबैंड कंपनी की for 10,000 by check. उसकी चेक से पेमेंट की है. Then इंटरनेट सर्विसेज या इंटरनेट चार्जेस यू कैन राइट bank. We are paying by check and we will pay GST also with this. Then input CGST and input SGST account debit to bank account. How much? 10,000 and 6% GST rate is there. Then total is 11,200. Payment made of balance amount of GST. अब जितना GST बचा after adjustment that we will pay to the government. Before adjustment entry, first of all we will do the total of all 6 GST. Right? Here how much input CGST? 22,500. Here also 22,500. In this entry input IGST 36,000. Here output CGST 18,000, 18,000. CGST and SGST always same. Now input CGST 1350 and 1350. In this entry also input CGST and input SGST 4,800, 4,800. Here output IGST 75,600. Here input CGST and SGST. Okay. Now do total of all these GST. After that we will adjust. So yes students, we have done the total of this. This is the total input CGST, SGST, IGST and this is the output CGST, SGST and IGST. What was the rule I have told to you in the last lecture? First of all, we will adjust the output IGST from input IGST. Which entry for this we will pass? That output IGST account debit to input IGST. How much input IGST is 36,000. So we can adjust only 36,000 IGST from input IGST. Now how much IGST, output IGST is remaining unadjusted? $39,600 that we will adjust from input CGST and SGST. But after the adjustment of output CGST and SGST. So first of all, after that adjusting the IGST, we will adjust the output CGST from input CGST and output SGST from input SGST. Okay. Then which entry will be passed for this? Output CGST account debit, output SGST account debit. इसको कहाँ से एडजस्ट करना है? इनपुट CGST and input SGST. How much is output? 18,000. ये ज्यादा है. ओके, सो ये सारा एडजस्ट हो जाएगा इनपुट से। Now we will nothing pay to the government out of output CGST and SGST. Now how much remaining? We are having input GST 18,000 we have adjusted. Now we have balance in 11,250 here and 11,250 here. From this we will adjust this output IGST unadjusted जो बच गया हमारा. For that, which entry we will pass? Output IGST account debit. Keep in mind that always in adjustment entry, output GST will be debit and input will be credit. That output IGST account debit to input CGST and to input SGST. And balance we will pay to the bank, to bank account. So remaining 39,600 all we will debit, full we will debit. We can adjust 11,250 from CGST, 11,250 from SGST. Remaining, how much will be remaining? This is total of 22,500. Deduct 22,500 from 39,600. It will come 17,100 that we will pay to the government. Okay. So this is the 8th illustration in which mostly full chapter has covered. Adjustment also, CGST, IGST, SGST, all the taxes and adjustment of all the 3 taxes. Okay. Now, yes students, now your chapter has completed. 4 video lecture we have discussed for this chapter. So today I will send you one more video to explain this chapter at a glance. Okay. So now you should do all the practical questions 1 to 9. All the practical questions 1 to 9 in your fair notebook. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.